Hello friends, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review OUAI hair oil. It's a legit product or it's a scam product. You should use this product or not. What are the problems you are going to face if you are going to use this product? What are the benefits and side effects of using this oil? We will discuss about all the informations in this video. First of all, let's talk about it's a legit product or it's a scam product. As you can see over here, this is the official website of this product, OUAI. Here is lots of product also listed over here, and there is all the details provided by brand, what are the uses of this product and what are the benefits of using this product, and all the related information is provided by brand over here. And if we talk about the legitness of this website, as you can see on your screen, the website is too good, or you can say the trust score of this website is 100 out of 100. That is also indicate it's a very good website or it's a trusty website. And if we talk about the age of website, or you can say how old is this website, the age of this website is also too good, or you can say it's approx 8-year-old from now. So it's all indicate it's a legit product. You should go with this product. And now, as you can see on your screen, there are lots of websites where this product is also listed. That is also indicate it's a legit product, or you can say it's a trusty product. You can buy this product without any doubt. Now we are going to talk about what are the benefits of using this product. As you can see on your screen, this product is used for it protect your hairs from fading, and this provide your hair softness, shine and hydration, and protect hair from your heat damage. When you are going to use this product, your hair breakage is reduced by 90%. So all these are the all benefits of using this product. Now we are going to talk about what are the side effects of using this product. As you can see on your screen, there are approx 4057 rating, and all rating are too good. And we have studied all the ratings, and there is no side effect mentioned over on any type of rating. So all indicate there is no side effects of using this product. Now conclusion is, yes, you should go with this product, but the side effects may appear only for in some cases, because every body is different, so the side effects happening is very common. Okay friends, but in most of the cases there is no side effect seen till now. Okay friends, so friends, our conclusion is, yes, you should go with this product. It's a very genuine and legit product, and you can use this product without any doubt. Hope now you understand what are the benefits and side effects of using this product, and you should go with this product or not. So friends, this video is going to over here. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye friend, thank you.